Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. A lot of people always ask me, what is leaky gut syndrome? And I'm not the expert to break it down in technical terms, but I can give it to you in a very simple way. The lining of your digestive system just isn't working the way it should, okay? It has buildup, it has the wrong bacteria, it has the wrong proteins, food particles, and stuff on the edges of it, so you're not absorbing all the nutrients and doing the digestion you're supposed to do. Well, guess what? There's a thing called Vital Restore that helps your digestive system and helps line your digestive system, get it with the correct amount of bacteria, the correct everything in there that it's supposed to have, so you can digest food correctly, you can process it correctly, you can feel better, better health, better skin, etc., etc. So Vital Restore is put together by Dr. Kara, who is the expert, of course, and Dr. Kara found patients with the same problem over and over again. He figured out leaky gut syndrome was really the problem, that their digestive tract wasn't working the way it should. So he picked out some major ingredients, L-glutamine, berberine, turmeric, slippery elm, and zinc oxide that really seem to help the digestive system, rebuild it and make it to where you're feeling better, you're getting better nights of sleep, etc., etc. And this stuff is absolutely fantastic. It's formulated in the USA. It is backed by Dr. Kara, it's vegan, and it's non-GMO, and processed in a GMP facility. So if you're looking for a great supplement to help your digestion, to give you that energy you used to have, and make you feel better because you're just not what you used to be, well, guess what? Vital Restore is a great product for that. Go ahead, pick it up. You absolutely won't be disappointed. I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations, Best Health Supplement Reviews. You're absolutely gonna love it. This stuff is a game changer. Change your game. Thanks for watching and adios amigos.